public health, we look at health from population point of view.
It is also intervening in the people quality of life.
And it deals with the health outcome and the general well-being of the population.
My name is Sarah Razayan and I'm a Lebanese Armenian. I'm second year Masters of Public Health. During our studies, it's just not like a class where you are being lectured. We get to have a lot of group discussions, to do a lot of group works, and then we have to represent our findings in a presentation format. Here at AUA, we receive top quality education, and we have a golden chance to deal with world-renowned professors. The atmosphere in the faculty is very warm, that most of the times I don't feel myself much as a student. It feels like more like being home.